Okay, now we are going to study with DC motors. Okay, DC motors means direct current motors. These are energy conversion devices. These are energy conversion devices. Means one form of energy is converted to the other form. Okay, so we have generally two energy conversion devices we have to study it, but now generator has been removed, so we have to study only one. One is your motor, okay, electric motor, and other is generator. Other is generator. All these are what? Energy conversion devices. Okay, in motor, your electrical energy, okay, is converted to mechanical energy. Is converted to mechanical energy. Means we are getting the rotation of shafts. Okay, into mechanical energy. In electric motor, what is happening? Conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy. But in generator, what is happening? Conversion of mechanical energy to electrical energy. Any confusion? This is happening, na? Are yes or no? Yes, so basically, generator and motor are what? We have wide application of motor in our household, everywhere. Can you give me the examples? Where we are using motor? Very good.
Water motors, coolers.
Very good. Not coolers, you will say fans of the cooler. Okay. AC generators, okay.
Mixer.
AC generators, no. That is not motor, beta.
The mixer.
Mixer, very good.
Washing machine.
Very good. Room heater, nahi.
Yes, sir. Fan is there, na? Fan is there.
Blower, then it is a blower.
Yes, sir.
Then it is a blower. Any other example?
Rain toys also.
Very good, very good. In our toys also, very good. Other examples? From this side I am not getting.
Aquarium pump. Aquarium pump.
But maybe they are using reciprocating pumps.
No, sir. I have seen that. Opened many pumps, sir. One magnet is there, sir.
No, that is okay. Pump, motor is there. You, computer, cooling, fan. Very good. Refrigerator, yes. In their compressors, we are using. Auto means? Automobile, where we are using this?
Engine, sir.
Engine. Right now we are having electrical vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Electric vehicles we are having. There they are using induction motors. They are using motors. Okay. In your railways, electric trains, they are using motors. Okay. In robotics we are using. Servo motors. Okay. What we are using in robotics? Servo motors. Any other application? Refrigerator is done. It is there in its pump. Okay.
Washing machine. Giant wheel.
Yes.
Windmill.
Very good.
Sir, but windmill is train. It is the opposite of this one, na?
But there are in windmill. Actually, we will not say. No. Windmill uses that and mechanical energy and convert to kinetic. So windmill we cannot take right now. Other.
Train. Engine train. Sir, train.
Train is done.
Airplane, sir.
Self start. We are having na?
Yes, sir.
In the scooters we are having. When we are applying that push button there, na? A motor is there. A motor actually rotates the shaft. So ignition is there, initiated. Okay. So there is a wide application of motor. Okay. Robotics, just I have said, tell. Okay. In your watches also they are used. Yes or no? Okay. So we are dealing with DC motors. Okay. DC motors are generally used in soft toys. Okay. That we are having. Means small toys. Okay. Where we are using battery as a source. Means direct current. Battery gives direct current. Okay, beta. So this has wide application. This particular section. Okay. This section has been removed from the syllabus, so we will not study that thing. If we get the time, we can have a glimpse of that. Okay. Now, this is the construction of your DC motor. Okay. These are coils. They are mounted over a shaft. Is it okay? Shaft is a rotating element. Okay, it will rotate. It will rotate. Okay. If the wires were mounted, on that, it will also rotate or not? For that rotation, we need force. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So if we rotate this thing, and if I connect anything, like blade, so if current will pass, force will be generated, this will rotate, this will be rotated?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And whatever work you want, what type of work you want, you can get it. Okay. So here we are having motor. It is rotating. In mixer grinder, we are mounting blades to cut vegetables, to grind spices and all those things. You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have to see how these forces are coming on this particular coil. Okay. So the principle is a current carrying wire experiences force in magnetic field. This is the working principle of your DC motor. A current carrying wire experiences force in. Is it okay to all of you? So these are magnets. They will create what? Magnetic field. Okay, beta? Yes.
What is DC motor? Direct.
You have not listened. You don't know. You have not listened. I have told, na?
Yes, sir.
Direct. Too much noise. I think nobody's. Your brain was somewhere, I think. Okay, leave that thing. Now, let's see the construction. Okay. We have this coil. Okay. It is mounted over a shaft. Okay. We can use soft iron core also here.
Yes.
Is it okay? Now you see. Now, this is your commutator. This is your commutator part. Commutator. It consists of a split ring and carbon brushes. Commutator. Okay. Commutator consists of, these are split rings. See, there is gap between these two rings. You see, there is gap between these two rings. Okay. The rings are like this. Okay. From the rings, we have carbon brushes connected to it. So commutator consists of a split ring. Split ring, why there is gap? You see, there is gap, huh?
To maintain the direction of current.
Wait, I will tell all the things. First, you listen to me. I know you have studied, plus please listen to me. Once I will finish, you can ask your question then. Okay, if you have any confusion. Is it okay?
Yes.
A split ring we have. Okay. Plus your carbon brushes. Basically, it is graphite. It is made up of carbon brushes. There is need. Earlier, they used to use metallic brushes, but now they are using carbon brushes. Okay. Earlier, what they were using? Metallic brushes. Now they were using made of graphite. There is a very specific reason for that I will tell. Okay. This is called your armature. This coil is called armature. Okay. Is it okay? The coil is called armature. This is called your armature. Now let's apply our Fleming's left hand rule on this coil. Okay. You will see whether the forces, how the forces are coming. It will only rotate if force on this is upward and this is downward. Bolo, hoga ki nahi hoga? Then only it will rotate?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If both are in same direction, okay, if equal, so this will try to rotate in this direction and this will try to rotate in this direction. So what will happen? Effect will be cancelled or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see, this is rotation. See, this hand is coming down, this hand is pushing upward. This is rotating or not? No rotation? Is it okay to all of you?
Yes.
Let's see whether those forces are in opposite direction or not. Okay. Now, see, current will go in this direction, this direction, this direction and this direction. Is it okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's apply. This is the direction of the magnetic field. Are yes or no?
Yes.
This is the direction of the current. Force is coming outward. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. This is the direction of the magnetic field. This is the direction of the current. So force will be inward. So here we are having inward force. Very good. Inward, very good. Now, let's apply here. Magnetic field is in this direction. Okay. Current is in this direction. Force will be outward. So here, on this arm we are having outward force. Okay, beta. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Here it is outward force. Is it okay to all of you? On this arm we are having inward force. Here we are having outward force. Is it okay? Are where? Are see, this apply your left hand rule. See, this is the direction of magnetic field. Okay, current is coming downward. So thumb will point towards outward. Are rotate to karo हाथ. तब ना होगा बेटा. Now it is okay. So here outward force. Everybody is getting or not?
Yes.
Harshita, you are getting.
Yes.
Raj Jaiswal.
That means the direction of magnetic field will be there.
Are see, this is the direction of magnetic field. Okay, current is in this direction. Force will come outward. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So on this arm we are having an outward force, and on this arm Harshit, and in this arm the force is inward. Is it okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the rotation, clockwise or anti-clockwise? You see, हाँ ऐसे rotate करेगा ना ये? Okay, now you see, when rotation will be half these wires, okay, for a time being this connection will be break or not? Huh. One after the half rotation, this will come this side and that will go on that side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember, but for the time being, circuit is break for a time or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, circuit is break or not?
Yes, sir.
If circuit will break, no current is there, how that force will come?
Inertia.
Very good. Now it has inertia, na? Inertia of rotation. Array suddenly force is removed, but what is happening? Due to inertia of rotation, it will continue to rotate.
Yes, sir.
And after a small rotation, it will again come in contact.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to all of you?
Yes.
Array yes or no?
Sir, only, how does this move? This doesn't move.
These are fixed. Commutators are fixed. Okay. And this wires is rotating like this. You are getting my point? See, these are commutators. Okay. And wire is rotating in between. See, this coils wire. Okay. You come and show me your one hand.
When they will come in contact, sir?
बता रहे हैं देखो. लो ऐसे करो हाथ. See, हाँ. See बेटा. You see. You come here. You come here. Bring your hand. See, wires are rotating na?
Yes, sir.
See, this contact is there. At this point, contact will be break.
Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes.
contact is there. Now it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to all of you?
Then current will flow.
Thank you, beta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now, this will experience force in the same direction. Okay? See, when this will come in the contact with positive, current direction will be changed in this coil. After half rotation, this part is connected to the positive end of the battery.
Yes, sir.
And this is connected to negative end of the battery.
Yes, sir.
So the direction of current in both the arms will change.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
But and force direction will also change.
Yes,
Now this will experience downward force and this will experience and rotation will continue. Is it okay to all of you? This is the simple. This is as simple as this. Is it easy or tough?
Easy, sir.
Sir, please tell that all the names, commutator and all that.
Commutator actually consists of your split ring plus carbon brushes. Now, why we are using carbon brushes or graphite brushes? Can anybody tell?
Lower that.
Okay. What else? We are using graphite. Very good. Graphite has a lubricating property. Okay. Plus it conducts electricity. It conducts electricity. Carbon is a what? It is insulator actually. But graphite is an allotrope which conducts electricity. And it has a lubricating property. If we were using metal brushes, this commutator will destroy after certain. This commutator will get destroyed because of that friction. Wear and tear will take place or not on the commutator. So we will have to change this commutator for a small duration of running only. That's why we are using this carbon brushes. Because it will absorb all the hits and it has a lubricating properties. Okay. Plus this will make our motor lighter also. Yes or no? This is okay. This is the simple working of your
DC.
Any confusion to anybody? Application you can write na? What are the
Yes.
DC motor application? Okay, you search on the net, you will write and you will give me tomorrow.
Sir, please tell that all the names, all the names.
You have those.
Wait. He's asking that, no problem. See, these coils are called armature. Coils of the wires are called, it is in the notes only. I have given you notes, na? All things were there. Okay, I have told you that this coil is called armature. Okay, it is mounted over a shaft. Okay, when shaft will rotate. When the shaft will rotate, come on tell me, when it will experience a torque. I know na? A force which is acting at some distance from the axis produces rotational effect. That I have told you in class 9th also, if you remember. How many of you are remembering that thing? Ha. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
split ring is made up of what?
I told you split ring is made of carbon. Split ring is a metallic part. It will conduct electricity. Okay. Okay, beta. Any confusion in this?